Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make out with Sam and Jess. First, find a private and comfortable spot where both of you can relax completely. It's crucial that both Sam and Jess feel at ease and are genuinely willing to engage. Remember, good hygiene, especially fresh breath, makes a big difference. You might also consider setting a pleasant mood with soft lighting or some gentle background music to enhance the overall experience for everyone involved. Now, let's move to gentle beginnings. Start by initiating light physical contact, perhaps holding hands or placing a gentle arm around the waist. Pay close attention to Sam and Jess's body language. It will tell you a lot about their comfort and interest. When you feel the moment is right, lean in slowly, maintaining eye contact for a few seconds. Your first kiss should be soft and closed-mouthed, lasting just 1 or 2 seconds to gently test the waters. Once you've established a comfortable rhythm, you can begin exploring the kiss further. Gradually open your mouth slightly for more passionate connection. When using your tongue, start gently and follow your partner's lead, ensuring it feels natural and mutual. Don't be afraid to vary the pressure and speed of your kisses. This adds excitement and keeps things interesting. You can also incorporate light caresses, like gently touching their face or running your fingers through their hair. Finally, remember that mutual enjoyment is key. Always pay close attention to Sam and Jess's responses and comfort levels throughout the experience. Nonverbal cues are powerful tools for communicating your desires and understanding theirs. If either of you needs a moment, don't hesitate to take a short break. This ensures everyone remains comfortable and happy. Above all, mutual respect and enthusiastic consent are the most important elements for a truly positive and memorable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.